Welcome to video tutorial of mekanizmalar. In the previous video the working principle of two simultaneously indexing Geneva drives has been explained. In this video two alternately indexing Geneva drives will be explained. In this case continuous rotation of the blue disk, with one driver pins on it is connected to two Geneva wheels with 4 slots on them. Corresponding to the 360 degrees rotation of the disk, the Geneva wheels makes 90 degrees turn and 270 degrees dwell. There is 180 degrees phase shift between the rotations of the wheels. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and to give a thumb up to this video. Thank you.